today we will be playing some cooking simulator.
And I'm also here.
Yeah, my brother's joined me. Where are you?
Right here. Yeah, I'm going inside cooking now. To start cooking. I'm inside. Can't go in.
This is a new update, guys. So I will show you a tour. That inside looks amazing. Okay, so it looks really small. It looks really small on the outside, but when you go inside, OMG, guys, it's just crazy. And this is Larry. He is really fat because he's been eating cheeseburgers and he's really hungry, like me. I'm hungry. And this is Chef Henry. Let me show you. Ooh, you've changed a lot. This is my stew. So I will show you inside. There is no roommates. You could just cook by your best buddy. Let's go. Yeah. Look at it. Oh my gosh, guys.
Rebecca.
Oh, I have to cook here.
Rebecca.
Andrew!
I cook here.
I cook here. Oh my gosh!
Yay.
I guess when you're friends, they can join you. So, yeah, probably when you're friends. Is this the wrong one? Andrew, what's happening? I need to cook here.
No, you need to cook on your first stove, which is that.
Oh. Why do I cook here? Oh, that's so cool. The flipping area? Yes. Gosh.
I'm thinking of getting a new capsule for speed.
I'm using a computer, so it's gonna be hard to.
I'm thinking of getting a new capsule.
Well, I have a lot of money. I have a lot of money.
Or I could get a new spatula for thickness.
What?
Use a spatula.
Oh.
I don't even know what's
Okay, so when it's like red, you go to Larry, because Larry's in this guy.
I'm gonna get the red apron.
I think that's
You
the.
bought the red apron.
I think this is the manager.
No, Rebecca, those missions are so worth it.
Why?
Because they give you more money. I think I'm on my third mission. And if I finish my third mission, I get 10,000 cash.
Oh my gosh, Larry. Excuse you, buddy.
So yeah,
Sorry, but
the missions are worth it. So yeah, Rebecca, you should get a mission.
Okay, I'll get it. I need to cook 15 waffles. Okay, I need to cook 15 waffles. If you guys can give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell when I am done cooking 15 waffles, then you're gonna be in my next video of the shout out.
Wait, Rebecca, but look, that's only it's not only 15 waffles. Scroll down, you have to cook 10 sloth cereals and 5 biscuits.
But for now, we're gonna cook 15
and then
waffles.
if you finish that, you get $500.
Yep. Do it. But this is only for the waffles, not for the rest. So, come on guys, like and subscribe and hit my bell when I'm done cooking the waffles.
And if you guys are wondering what we're playing
Cooking Simulator, as you saw from the title. And I also said in the beginning.
game's made by the Cooking Boys.
Yep.
And
oh my gosh! What is wrong with me?
And if you guys haven't seen the recent update on this game, they added a new Fortnite update.
Okay.
Which is amazing.
Okay guys, so I finished with the 15 waffles. So I would get notified if I do that. Not. I'm watching you. Oh, I just climbed. Oh no, not the burps. Oh, now we're gonna make some sloth cereal. Ew. That's weird. So I just need to hold it in.
They're not active.
I know, but if it was, that would be so disgusting. So disgusting.
I'm saving up for 10,000 cash.
I already have like, I already have 2.8k. 2.8k. It says right here.
But aren't you going to survive this stuff or?
I know, but I need to make my slot cereal. How do I do that?
You also need to buy your biscuits. Biscuits.
Oh, I can make slot cereal. No, it's like the cookie one. It's like the cookie cereal.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. Man, I'm gonna make my slot cereal. Ooh, they look so beautiful. Oh, so cool. Why am I using a spatula to cook cereal? You don't use a spatula to cook cereal. That's just weird.
I'm almost at 10,000 cash. I'm halfway there.
Wait, what are you? Oh yeah, you have more than me.
I'm halfway there to 10,000 cash.
Now I get to make the biscuits. Is that how the biscuit looks like?
No.
Are you done with your whole task?
No. I need to save up a lot of money if I want to finish this task that I have right now. I have to save up for at least like
Okay, I know I need to teleport over here.
80,000. No, like I need to save up for at least 100,000.
So you're doing the task
because
alone.
the pizza is 45,000 cash, and there's another food I need to do, which I think is like 50,000 cash. Just getting off.
Bro, I literally... Oh, now I need to make biscuits. Larry, you're so disgusting.
Hey, you better unlock the biscuit recipe.
I don't think you guys can hear the audio, so I will put it recording. Whatever. Oh, this already been 8 minutes. I just forgot that. It takes 15 minutes, so when it's 14, I'm gonna stop this video. Right, Andrew?
Yeah. Aren't you gonna unlock the biscuits?
Yeah, I'm gonna unlock the biscuits.
I think there were like 50 cash.
Where are the biscuits? Where are the biscuits?
It's number 3. 250 cash. I think it's supposed to be biscuit with jelly on it.
Yeah, there's jelly. Look at me go, look at me win.
And what I love about this game is that
I was cooking like a master.
What I love about this game is that the more food, like the higher the food is, the more you get food. So a biscuit will give you $33.
It is so disgusting.
20 biscuits, $33.
Oh, I wish you could just jump on his face. That'd be a little too mean, guys. Do you think? Go!
Monster my next spatula.
What if that is no!
Yay, I can buy my own spatula.
What? Can I get a spatula?
I don't know.
What? I hate you.
Yeah, I have the money to buy a spatula.
I have money to buy the silver spatula. It looks so weird. Oh my god, do you want to get this one?
No, I'm past the dual spatula. I didn't even buy.
You want to get this one?
Yeah, I got the capital.
No, the cop.
Spatula.
The copala. I think that's what it says.
We don't know.
Da-da-da-da. Oh, it's already.
I'm going. Oh, it's morning.
Of course it's morning. Hey, how did you get a red apron and I don't?
Because I bought one. Hey, should we take the screenshot from the video now?
No, don't tell me. No.
Or do you want to take the screenshot from the video when we're done with the video?
Let's do it now because.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we have to go to Larry. Sorry. Okay, no one's really at Larry, so I'm gonna be right here. Oh my gosh, can you please stop, person?
Hey, take the screen.
Oh my gosh, that guy's a noob. No, he wants to be in it!
Hey.
A beautiful one.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we're nearly about to end this video.
I'm gonna try on my new spatula.
Good luck, Andrew.
I bet it's
Oh
gonna-
my gosh, look at this person.
He has the infinity. The infinity. He has the infinity. Wow, I am cooking very fast.
Yeah, I was cooking like that too, but way more faster. And I was like smacking it on my face.
Because you have a food that doesn't give you that much money, which, you know.
I have food that gives me a lot of money. Oh my gosh, I'm already at Larry. That is so weird. I know, I need to cook.
I'm gonna see if I can buy a new recipe.
Oh my gosh, I cannot go outside.
10,000 cash for my next recipe.
Okay, I'm gonna have to end it.
We're gonna wait, Rebecca, come. Let's finish the video in the cooking round.
Okay, let's go. It's already like at 14 anyways. Wait, nearly at 14. Nearly at 14.
Okay, let's stand right here.
Okay, it's nearly done. La, 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 la.
So,
Okay guys, if you like this video, smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell,